Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the Preview pane in File Explorer step by step. The Preview pane lets you preview files without opening them, and you can turn it on or off whenever you need. So let's get started. First, open File Explorer on your Windows computer. Next, click the View menu at the top. Then select Show. Click Preview pane. If the Preview pane is off, it will be enabled. If it's already on, clicking it again will disable it. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Alt+P to quickly turn the Preview pane on or off. Now select a file to see its preview when the Preview pane is enabled. And that's it. You've successfully enabled or disabled the Preview pane in File Explorer. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.